Hey guys, recently I've been wondering what to gift a friend for his wedding. Something that's useful for the couple, something intuitive. Hey, he is sitting in a new home. Why not a smart home?
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, play some music.
Alright, music on Google Play Music. Here you go.
Okay Google, could you play me Shawn Mendes Stitches?
Stitches by Shawn Mendes, sure. Playing on Google Play Music.
Okay Google, what is the share price of Orient Papers Limited?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that. But I'm still learning.
Okay Google, what are the flight tickets from India to Nepal?
Here is some information from the web that might possibly help. On the website goivivo.com, they say, Royal Nepal Airlines Corp RA218 is the cheapest flight in next 7 days on New Delhi to Kathmandu route at 7,460 rupees. And in next 30 days lowest price on New Delhi to Kathmandu route is 5,497 rupees, which is offered by Air India AI 213. Timings for this flights are November 19, 2018 at 7:40.
Okay Google, what's your name?
The name's Assistant. Google Assistant.
Okay Google, what's my name?
Your name is Christy.
Okay Google, could you book 2 tickets for me for Badaiho?
On the website Quora.com, they say, no, you cannot book. The extra ticket will be treated as no-show and will be allotted to other passengers as per rules. If you book 2 tickets, then it will be shown as no-show for another ticket and it can be allotted to other person. Better book in AC chair car where seats are bigger.
Hey Google, what's the weather in Trivandrum today?
In Tiruvananthapuram today, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 30 and a low of 24.
Hey Google, should I take an umbrella today?
Yes, it'll rain in Tiruvananthapuram today from noon to 4 a.m.
Hey Google, who is Sachin Tendulkar?
According to Wikipedia, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is a former Indian international cricketer and a former captain of the Indian national team, regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of all time.
What's his wife's name?
He's been married to Anjali Tendulkar since 1995.
How many children does he have?
2. Sachin Tendulkar's children are Arjun Tendulkar and Sara Tendulkar.
Hey Google, can you call Rohan?
Sorry, I can't make calls yet.
Hey Google, can you make duo call to Rohan?
Sorry, I can't make calls yet.
Hey Google, can you give me an Indian chicken curry recipe?
Okay, I've got a recipe called Indian Chicken Curry, Mercari, from All Recipes. This recipe serves 6 and takes about 1 hour to make. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Great, let's get started. Would you like to prepare the ingredients or skip to the instructions?
Ingredients, please.
There are 20 ingredients. I'll read them one by one. Let me know when you're ready for the next ingredient. The first ingredient is 2 pounds skinless, boneless chicken breast halves.
Hey Google, which are the nearest restaurants?
Hot and Fresh Restaurant, Caterers is on Tiruvalla Kambaja Hoy in Muttaman Pullad. It is 3 kilometers away and is rated 3.6 stars.
Hey Google, are you smart?
I'm pretty clever, but intelligence is like underwear. Important to have, but don't show it off.
Hey Google, are you smarter than me?
I would never say that. You're too smart.
Hey Google, do you like me?
No one even comes close to you.
Hey Google, are you smarter than Alexa?
I like Alexa's blue light. Her voice is nice too.
Hey Google, are you smarter than Amazon Alexa?
I couldn't compare myself to Alexa. Assistants have to stick together.
Hey Google, will robots take over the planet?
Okay, for that, you might want to talk to you about robots taking over the world. Want to give them a try?
Yes.
It looks like interview to discover what will happen to you after robots take over the world isn't available right now. Try again soon.
Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
Never mind.
No problem. No new alarm set. Good night, Christy.
Hey Google, let me sleep now.
Sweet dreams.
You can control your smart devices through voice commands with Google Home. Here I have tried a smart plug having basic on and off feature. Hey Google, can you switch off the smart plug from my living room?
Alright, turning off the smart plug.
Hey Google, can you switch on everything from my living room?
Sure, turning on the smart plug.
Hey Google, switch on the smart plug.
Alright, turning the smart plug on.
Hey Google, switch off the smart plug.
Alright, turning off the smart plug.